Hi, I'm Susan Adams. This is my service dog in training, Gabriel, and I've been around a lot of service dogs over time from friends who have disabilities. Um, when I came to looking for my own service dog, as I needed one, I wasn't finding the right organization for me for a few reasons. One reason is that it's very physically difficult for me to travel for several weeks at a time to train with an organization, but I was able to break up the training more with my service dog and kind of do that over the course of a year instead of all at once. We also already have a border collie, and he's an older dog, but he's not a good candidate for a service dog himself. But we couldn't rehome him, and I couldn't easily wait another 6 to 9 years for a service dog. I really need help now. They're more interested in the dog and what he can do. No longer is the focus on the wheelchair or the wheelchair being in the way, but they're kind of seeing us as a team. People are more willing to interact with me rather than being afraid of what do you say to a wheelchair user. We picked up Gabriel when he was 8 weeks old and then brought him to Allie. He's now 14 weeks old, and the amount of tasks that he's already able to do has far surpassed our expectations. He brought my cane to me a few days ago, dragging it across the room. I said, bring that to me, and he brought it to me. He's already doing medical alerts for me too when I am in extremely high pain and not noticing because I've tuned it out. He gets so restless that he will not settle down until I've taken more pain medicine or used ice packs, done something to mitigate my pain. And that's very important because I have dysautonomia, so I have my blood pressure can drop and I can pass out. He's also extremely well behaved in public. I had no idea that a dog this age could do this well in public. And he goes into restaurants, he goes into stores, and never has an issue at all. He stays right with the wheelchair and he behaves himself. One thing Gabriel has done is help me be able to reconnect with other people, also be less alone, be it in the house, when I'm by myself, or in public. He makes things a lot easier. He brings a lot of joy to my life. He also pushes me in a way too. I know that I need to get out for Gabe too, but I'm also getting out and pushing myself too, which helps me maintain my strength.